ito naman po si Butch Bartolome.
Butch Bartolome, my sensei, my business mentor.
Sa episode 1, nakita natin kung papaano nagsimula ang Sekurats. Ngayon, tuklasin natin ang mas malalim na misyon ni Perry bilang negosyante, mentor at leader. Ito po ang episode 2.
So, how many branches can you put up with Sekuraj? Have you expanded your branch of Sekuraj?
So far, my expansion is in Cebu. I have one in Cebu. Yeah, so all the Mindanao and Visayan clients, we put it in Cebu. But if the economics will tell me to expand in Mindanao, I'm looking into Davao area for my expansion.
Mm-hmm. So how big is your warehouse? I mean, how much
So
space
the
would you need?
security-wise, you have to invest. I have a 1,500 square meters here and another 1,000 square meters in Cebu.
Ganun ah. So you
So
lease the
imagine,
place.
Sir Butch, no?
Oo. Grabe ha. Grabe ang
Yes.
ang expansion dito. But lately, I've been seeing a lot of storage houses, just like the US, right? These are storage
Yes,
that you
yes.
rent, that you lease, and you can put
Self-storage.
all your things, right? What do we call that?
Self-storage services. So when you say
Self-storage.
self-storage, yeah, you just have to rent the place, then you have your own locks. Bring it home. If you need to access your things, you go, you have your key, you open it up. So ours is a hybrid storage. So we store the documents, but the more important thing about that is the security. We just don't allow anybody else in our storage area.
Mm-hmm.
We have a waiting room. You just have to go there, and then we will bring you the boxes that you want if you want to access in our facility.
So
the
ito parang
difference
bangko
is
pala. Para palang
number
bangko
one,
ito.
for our services.
Para palang bangko ito, Perry, ah. In other words,
Correct,
parang
opo.
safety deposit box. Ganun ba?
Yes. It's like a bank. Much more affordable bank. So talagang medyo maliit ang rate namin versus a bank.
That's good. That's good. So there are a lot of companies, whether micro, small entrepreneurs, can really afford your services, right? I mean, especially for documents, diba?
Yes, that's actually my mission, Sir Butch, to penetrate MSME, because right now, actually we have so many competitors here, and most of them are international companies, multinational. I think we are only two now in the local industry. So my mission actually is to penetrate the MSMEs, because we have to educate them about safety of the information, and it helps a lot in their compliances. Because right now, small enterprises, small medium enterprises, they don't really have that system to cope up with compliances. Sometimes nawawala yung mga documents nila. Pero if you offer an affordable service, then you help them with their business to grow.
Okay. And
Yung
most
mga
of the time,
multinationals kasi medyo
most of the time kasi mga MSMEs, they just file it in folder, filing cabinet. Di ba? Ganun nangyari. Yeah, Perry.
yes.
Oo. So, tell me, bukod sa pagiging Securaj, you still have the time to mentor people. Why so? I mean, you have a highly intensified job, business, and you still have the time to mentor. Because alam mo si Perry is not just a mentor. He's also a sports coach. let's talk about sports coach muna. Ano ba yung mga sports ang kino-coach mo, Perry?
Well, right now, I'm more focused on football. And as a matter of fact, I'm the president of Cavite Regional Football Association. So my mission is to, you know, multiply myself into so many coaches so that they can help so many children. We can, move children into sports rather than going into some other things that we don't like. So that's my advocacy right now is to be a football coach, trying to to produce more coaches, more players, in order for them to have a community of players and coaches that help one another.
That's nice. No, that's nice. At least you're doing something for the community, especially for the young generation, right? Right. I mean, sports-minded rather than
Yes,
computerized-minded, di ba? Kasi karamihan ng mga ating mga
correct.
kabataan ngayon ay computerized-minded na no? Ganun ba yun?
Opo, opo. Instead of having those gadgets, then we do sports. Well, to promote at the same time physical and mental health. And as a
Mm.
matter of fact, I have actually a football club together with my close friend who is also a former national player, former national coach, former international referee. We put up a football club wherein we gather people from we gather youth from different sectors who are economically challenged, and then we offer them to varsities, to become varsities in many schools. So far we
Oh,
have let at least 300, maybe 70 children graduated from college and now have a different life rather than being in the streets. Sometimes we get
correct.
children from the SWD, we nurture them, we put them in school to play football, and when they finish, it will change their lives, not only their lives but the lives of their families.
Correct. Ang gala. Maganda yan, maganda yung advocacy mo, I mean, in other words, you're giving somebody who has probably lost hope because nobody probably care, but you
Yes,
care, and you sort of give them the value by training them to become good in football, and then you offer them to the schools, right, as varsity
right.
player scholars, no
Yes,
scholars,
I
di
got
ba?
that idea through my friends, the Saluria brothers.
Ah,
They are really football people. From from the womb of their mom, they were already being developed as football players to create
mhm.
to create change in the community. So I was uh, blessed by God to meet these people, just like when I meet you, when I met.
No, pero parang sinasabi natin sports is not just sports for yourself, no, but you are creating a sports advocacy, correct, di ba? Parang bang
Correct.
there's an advocacy. You're not enjoying it by yourself, but you're
Yes.
helping community grow, di ba?
Yes
Yun,
po.
I guess that's your purpose, no?
Yes.
Yun ang importante. And mapunta tayo ngayon sa pagiging mentor sa Go Negosyo. How did you ever find Go Negosyo? I mean, paano ka nagsimula?
Well, ito, I give credit to what is due to whoever is. And a special shout out, you know her, Engineer Grace Nicolas. So
Okay.
she, we,
Si Engineer Grace
Bondad
Bondad. Huwag
Nicolas.
mo kakalimutan yung Bondad.
Of
Bondad
course.
Nicolas.
Yes.
Magagalit si Mami. Okay.
Yes. Oo.
All right.
Ako daw, very close
Okay.
tayo kay Mami. Yeah. We
Okay. So,
were both
uh,
parents officers of the Parents Teachers Association, Parents Teachers Council La Consolacion. So when I met her, she introduced me to, Go Negosyo. That's where it
ah,
started. But long before that, during my, when I was down during that call center thing, I was really, from the ground. Wala talaga. I lost everything except my son. So, I promised to God na kargahin mo lang ako ngayon once na nakabawi ako dito, ako naman babawi. So, kaya Sir Butch, marami akong advocacy ngayon. It's because I have a commitment na to whatever God blesses me, I will share it. So God blessed me with skills, talents, leadership, whatever He gives me, I will share it to, to the community.
That's true. That's true. So, ano yung mga memorable moments mo as a mentor in Go Negosyo? What is it something that really probably touched your heart, that really opened your mind? Ano yung mga moments mo?
Well, there was this time in SM North EDSA, we were having Trimo.
Yeah.
At Go Negosyo. So after that, it's a person-to-person coaching and mentoring. Then we had a break time. So I was going to, to relieve myself. There was this person who was, following me, and then he was calling me, Sir Perry. And because we did hundreds of mentoring. So it slipped my mind kung sino siya. But she introduced herself, and talagang naalala ko na siya na she has this, small sari-sari store na hindi nag-grow. Every 3 months na kailangan niya mag-recapitalize. So, inanalyze namin. Actually, what I'm doing, Sir Butch, is kasi 20 minutes in Go Negosyo mentoring is really very short. So,
It is.
binibigay ko sa kanila ang aking contact information, and we do online mentoring. So, after inanalyze ko yung kanyang mga problems, at na very interactive yung aming exchanges. So, na-appreciate niya yon. And sabi niya sa akin, Sir Perry, Mentor Perry, meron na po akong grocery store. Imagine.
Wow. Imagine from sari-sari to naging grocery na. Asenso.
By just, removing key problems, which is easy to remove. It's just na you have to decide because mga kamag-anak mo yung nasa kapaligid sa'yo. So, and then yung controls, you just have to teach them controls in their business. So it was really a memorable event in my life to see the result of what we are doing, Sir Butch.
Yeah. So para bang nakikita mo ngayon that you said put it in a phrase na paying it forward. In other words,
yes.
When things were down and you felt, you really felt down, you sort of asked, and you sought the help, no? And true enough, you were given that. So you're just paying it forward. And this is how a mentor is, right?
Right.
Oh, kasi, I just want to define, because there are mentors who call themselves mentors, but in the real sense of the word, the question is credibility. The question is motivation. The question is about sincerity and I guess responsibility, right?
Yes.
You said that, sabi mo, maiksi nga talaga 20 minutes, right? That's true because, you're talking of hundreds and hundreds. And in that SM North event, I could see that it was even crawling all the way up to the parking lot, right?
Yes.
Right? And I was there. I saw. And you cannot even hang on for more than 20 minutes. But you went beyond, right? You went beyond. Pero that lady sought you and told you about the effects, right? Para bang, di ba, remember what Joey Concepcion mentioned, that the fact that mentors like you would reach out and talk is already good enough, right? It's already something inspirational. Tama? Di ba?
Tama po.
So yun yung nagiging, kaya nga yung growing number of mentors in Go Negosyo is something that people should know, that these are people like you who really experience a lot, right? Ilang beses ka bumagsak. Ilang beses ka naloko ng mga partners. Ilang beses na probably natakbuhan ka pa, sabi mo nga, di ba?
Yes,
but again, you're able to stand up with your chin up high, but then move forward, right?
Right,
Diba?
right. And aside
So-
from that, Sir Butch, I always advise to my mentees who became successful na to teach others also. So, the pay it forward principle
Exactly,
na
exactly.
hindi lang dapat ma-confine sa kanila yung success. We have to help one another to become successful.
That's true. So, Nako, I don't want to prolong you because it's Sunday. You might be playing football or you might be coaching. But last thing, Perry, where can they find you? Are you in social media? I know you are in LinkedIn. By the way,
Yes.
if you guys are watching, Perry is in LinkedIn. And again, you will see all these accomplishments, no? Mahaba-haba yung accomplishments niya, no?
Yes.
But again, that shows credibility. But you're also into social media, right? Other social
Yes.
media
Yes,
platforms.
I'm very active in Facebook right now. My Facebook account is Perry Parado Camba. Just follow me or add me. I'll be there, and you just send me a message, and then I can answer whatever you want me to answer. By the way, Sir Butch, I also have a new work, a new thing, which is I am actually a technical advisor to Commissioner Paris G. Rial of Energy Regulatory Commission. So we do a lot of things right now, and for sure, with the new commissioner is very idealistic. Change will be achieved a lot, and the energy sector will actually benefit from what we are doing, especially with the new CEO and chairman, Attorney Nino Juan. So
Oh, that's good. That's good.
I'm
Yeah, I've seen him.
now.
I've seen him in newscasts, no? And we hope that we can really move forward, no? With
Yes.
our energy, especially avoiding the summer crisis, no?
Right.
Kasi nga, again, we're now going back to the summer. And ako, ayun na naman na baka wag naman sana mag-brownout because it really affects economy, right? It affects, no? I mean,
And
remember
I
the
could
time.
say-
Remember the time when we had a lot of brownouts, and I'm sure like Bicol, for example,
yeah,
it's
even up till
always,
now.
it's always struck by typhoons, no?
Yes.
So yeah, again, congratulations to you. I mean, talaga ito si Perry, saludo ko, no? Ang daming pinagkakapasukan talaga, no? Ang daming opportunity. But again, keep us in touch about that energy work that you're doing now. Keep us informed, and then
Yes.
so that we can inform our viewers for this public about the business mentor. Okay. So again, thank you very much, Perry, and more power to you. And again, sabi nga natin, just keep on moving, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Butch. Isang karangalan na ma-interview ng aking idolo. Alam mo naman si Sir Butch, he is one of the gods in the entrepreneurial sector. So maraming salamat po, Sir Butch.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you po. Bye-bye.
Ayan. Ito naman po si Butch Bartolome.
Butch Bartolome, my sensei, my business mentor.